Learning a new skill can be a fulfilling way to spend your free time, and it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are some simple methods to get started, along with a few skill suggestions that are perfect for after work or weekends. Simple ways to learn a new skill. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and set realistic milestones. This helps keep you motivated and focused. 2. Start small. Break down the skill into smaller, manageable parts. For example, if you want to learn guitar, start with basic chords. 3. Use online resources. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer a wide range of courses. YouTube also has countless tutorials on almost any subject. 4. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Dedicate a specific time each day or week to practice. 5. Join a community. Find online forums, local groups, or social media communities where you can share progress, ask questions, and get support. 6. Take notes. Writing down what you learn can help reinforce your knowledge and serve as a reference. 7. Teach others. Teaching a skill to someone else can solidify your understanding and reveal any gaps in your knowledge. Skills to learn in your free time. 1. Cooking. Experiment with new recipes or cuisines. It's practical and can be very rewarding. 2. Photography. Learn to capture stunning photos. Start with your smartphone and progress to a DSLR camera if you enjoy it. 3. Coding. Basics of HTML, CSS, or Python can be learned through free online courses and coding platforms like Codecademy. 4. Gardening. Whether you have a backyard or just a few pots, gardening is a relaxing and productive hobby. 5. Drawing or painting. Express your creativity and improve your artistic skills with online tutorials and practice. 6. Playing a musical instrument, guitar, piano, or even a ukulele are great instruments to start with, and there are many online lessons available. 7. Yoga or meditation. These practices can improve your mental and physical well-being. Apps like Headspace or YouTube channels offer guided sessions. 8. Language learning. Apps like Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, or Babbel can help you learn a new language at your own pace. 9. Writing. Start a blog, write short stories, or even try poetry. It's a great way to improve your communication skills and express yourself. 10. DIY projects. Learn to make something with your hands, whether it's woodworking, knitting, or crafting. By taking small, consistent steps and utilizing the vast resources available, you can effectively learn and master new skills in your free time.